green plastic.
Hả? You that one do it.
This beverage in front of you is actually the lemongrass pandan. So Chef Philip is actually more in the area of the Peranakan cuisine, delights, and bakes and stuff like that. So it's diabetic friendly. Now of course this is a low glycemic index multigrain cereal. So if you want a good breakfast without the sugar spike, this will be something very useful.